When news broke this week that Mississippi might be the exception in the nation, it might be the only state in the country where the uninsured rate has actually gotten worse in the last few months and not better. Mississippi's Republican Governor Phil Bryant responded to that news by saying it's all Obamacare's fault. He said, quote, if statistics show that the ill-conceived and so-called Affordable Care Act is resulting in higher rates of uninsured people in Mississippi, I'd say that's yet another example of a broken promise from Barack Obama. Obamacare not working in Mississippi. Look how terrible it's turning out for them in that state. Obamacare must be a terrible thing. In the real world, what's happening is that Mississippi is doing everything it can to stop Obamacare from working in that state. So it's not working well in that state, and now they're mad that it doesn't work. I mean, Governor Bryant said he wouldn't let the state create an exchange for people to buy insurance. He said it would be a gateway to Obamacare. Mississippi's insurance commissioner, a Republican, wanted to make a state exchange. It was called One Mississippi. It seemed well designed, seemed like it would work. Governor Bryant refused to let that happen. The Fed said they would love to go ahead with One Mississippi, but thanks to Governor Bryant, it was impossible. With the governor's refusal to work with us or the insurance commissioner, there's no way to coordinate strategy with other agencies that he's in charge of. Then naturally, when faced with the other part of Obamacare, the Mississippi governor said no to the Medicaid part, too, to letting the federal government pay for hundreds of thousands of uninsured Mississippi residents to get health insurance on Medicaid. It would have wiped hundreds of thousands of people off the rolls of the uninsured in his state. It would have got them into health insurance, but the governor refused that. He said it was a fool's errand. And besides, he said, uninsured people in Mississippi can always just go to the emergency room. That's his strategy. Governor Phil Bryant of Mississippi has done everything in his power to prevent Obamacare from working. He's gone out of his way to wreck it, and now he's blaming it for not working in his state, which